Test, 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 test. At the airport. I go pick up someone. Listen, uh, earthquake happened about 16 years ago. And shit, I'm happy I survived, right? To all the survivors of the earthquake, you know, um, always remember, man, this could be your last day, right? 300,000 people died. Uh, yeah, 300,000, about 300,000 people died. And, you know, when you think about it, man, what has changed in Haiti? Only thing I could tell you, only thing that has changed, right, is that the King Charles Foundation, who was Prince Charles Foundation back then, they have the contracts still. They still got to have the contracts for the metropolitan area of Port-au-Prince. They're going to refix Port-au-Prince. By the time Agenda 2030 kicks in, I'm pretty sure downtown's going to be a totally different thing, man. You know, this is why they use the HARP machine. If any of you guys always wondering why do they use the HARP machine? They use the HARP machine so they can evacuate people, evacuate certain areas. You know, it's a machine of warfare. That's what the climate machine is for. Anyway, AyitiOrganic, 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 AyitiOrganic experience, AyitiOrganic 1804. Let's have a moment of silence for all the lives lost. January 12th, 2010.